I'm gonna die. That one didn't get me. Nah, 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 nah. I'm on the wrong layer, though. And there's nothing worse than having a smoke detector going off, though.
Mother,
so...
I crave violence.
Him, Benny, I crave violence too. The smoke alarm won't shut the fuck up. Like, oh, you fucking wee bastard. Like, I knew it was coming, that was the thing. That's what really annoyed me about that one. I was like, oh, it's been quiet for a long time. Come on. Come on, are we nearly there? We're nearly there. We're not. We're so fucked, guys.